What's up, guys? Today we got this '08 Rancher here with us. We're going to be doing an oil change kit on it. You can base this oil change kit from the '07 to I believe the '13. They were all this rounded body style look. We got this oil change kit straight from Honda. Come with the oil filter. So we're going to get started on this thing. Alright guys, for your oil drain plug, it's going to be this 17mm with an extension to reach it. And then over here for the oil filter, it's going to be an 8mm. I also got an extension for it, but I don't think I'll need it. I did get the motor cleaned up a little bit, so we're going to get started on this. All you got to do, you really don't have to pop your seat off, but you just take your seat off, pull these side plastics off on each side. Here's where your oil filter will be. It's got 3 bolts, take them out. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you'll get under here. Your oil drain plug is going to be right here. I got my oil catch can. Just go ahead and break this bolt. I don't think there's any way to do this without getting dirty, so not too bad. Alright guys, we'll let that drain and we'll go over here to the oil filter and get that swapped out real quick. Alright guys, we're going to take these bolts off. I just put this rag here to catch some of the oil so it don't get all over the ground. It's not really a good way to catch it. Go ahead and open up our filter. I'm gonna make this quick so I don't get oil on the ground. But when you take it out, be sure to watch which way it comes out so you can put it right back in the right way. If you put it in the wrong way, you can mess your motor up. Okay guys, so it just kind of popped out of there, but it goes in this way. Put a little bit of your old oil in there. Pop it back in. It is spring loaded, so be careful with that. Kind of got messy, but it will be okay. I honestly forgot that these things are spring loaded. And we'll just tighten these back up. Kind of want to do them evenly. So what I do is just kind of snug them down some and come back and tighten them all up. And you don't want to tighten these too hard, but just get them a little snug. Because they will break and crack your casing. You don't want that. So we got that. Now we will put the oil drain plug back in and fill her back up with oil. Alright guys, we're just going to slide this back in here. Oil drain plug. Just going to get it finger tight. And then as on the same way we did those other bolts, just kind of get it a little snug. You don't want to bow up on it. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put this oil in here. We'll pour about 3/4 of this bottle in there and check it. Alright guys, so that looks good. You want it to be anywhere on this. It's pretty much close to the top. So that's going to be good. Alright guys, so we're done with this. We're going to put this bike back together. It'll be done, ready to ride again. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave a comment if this helped you out. I know a bunch of people can do this stuff themselves, but some people just need a little bit of help. And we're glad to do that. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.